Ma, what are you doing?
Getting ready for Nagin Dolak.
Ah, what are you wearing?
Use my perfume, the one you give me. Diamond.
Ooh, who did your eye makeup?
Nafia Khan.
Very nice, very nice. Your skin's
I don't
very
like
nice.
eyelash, but I put it on today.
It's definitely a wedding today if you put eyelash on.
I
Here's
want
your-
to wear lipstick, but Nafia said don't wear
No,
lipstick.
no.
So
If you've got such dramatic eyes, I don't think you need lipstick, you know?
I'm wearing Kaval Kose Kusa. Trouser from Cardi. Sana Safina shirt and dupatta. And makeup by Sabiha Khan.
Not really, by Nafia Khan, sorry.
Eyes from Nafia Khan. The rest of the makeup is. I know makeup change you a lot.
No, you
But
actually...
you know what? One thing I must say, this suit is very beautiful. But look what they did. So the dupatta this side is okay, but the other side, if they put the embroidery other way around.
Damn.
These are should I change them?
Maliha's here.
Changed them.
Change what?
The necklaces. Should I leave the necklaces? Should I
Leave it.
What would you change it
I
to?
would wear my hair extensions. I would
No,
wear the
you
whole-
don't.
Where would
need
you
the
what would you
extension.
change it to?
already got
Either big
beautiful hair.
earrings or shall I?
No, you look elegant. Leave it like that.
And take these. What do you
No,
Just leave it, fine.
You look elegant.
It's
You
fine.
look beautiful.
Wish I could go home and do all my stuff, but it's okay.
Please subscribe and click the bell to get notification.
You look nice. I don't understand what
Maliha.
more you want to look nice for.
Yeah, these are these.
Yeah.
The first one. First one, yeah.
You look so beautiful, Radha Chizu.
Khalas, it's you anyway. I don't feel confident, but it's okay. Let's go. Now, can you give me my Apple Watch?
Why are you taking this?
I'm not taking it. She thinks I'm gonna wear that. Nah.
Yeah, you.
She takes that everywhere.
Hell no.
Okay, Nana.
Just taking it because it's for my stuff.
बिल्कुल तैयार है मैं और मलीहा जा रहे हैं ढोलक नाइट के लिए लेकिन मलीहा के साथ अगर कोई जाए तो बस तकरीबन 2 घंटे लेट जाओगे 2 घंटे से सिर्फ मलीहा को शाउट कर रही हूँ चीज़ें बिगाड़ती है कोई चीज़ मेकअप उठाए तो मेकअप को गरक कर देती है अगर हेयर ड्राई उठाए तो हेयर ड्राई को ऐसे फेंक देती है कपड़े निकालती है तो पूरा कबर्ड गॉड लिविंग विद मलीहा इज़ सो डिफ़िकल्ट और अब एंड में आके फ़ोटोग्राफी कर रही है अब पोज बना बना के तस्वीरें निकाल रही है और अब ऑलरेडी हम 1 घंटा लेट है 1 आवर और अब पता नहीं और कितना लेट होंगे तो ये मलीहा साहिबा का हाल है
Mama just said to me, make a really nice vlog for me. It isn't like you're doing anything else anyway.
Yeah.
She's been so rude to me.
क्योंकि सुबह से पहले तो मिन्नतें की कि मेरे साथ जाओ
I
फिर
really
मिन्नतें
don't
के
feel.
बाद
It's because Mama.
कभी टूथपेस्ट का टॉप खुला
Oh
छोड़
my
देती है।
goodness! If you
Kabhi-
hear about this toothpaste story,
Come on, open the gate.
anybody else guilty of leaving the top of the toothpaste? I am human.
ह्यूमन ऐसे नहीं करते जानवर ऐसे करते हैं Go.
Such a
Open
nice
the
angle.
gate.
I'm
गेट खोलने जा रही है मैडम अब कितनी देर में गेट खोलेगी पहले कपड़े चूज नहीं हो रहे थे इससे बार बार कह रही थी मैं घर जाके रेडी होती हूँ मैंने कहा चलो घर जाके क्या रेडी होगी इधर से रेडी हो जाओ फिर कभी ये तंग है ये खुला है ये है ये वो है इसका ये एक सूट पड़ा हुआ था इधर ये नखरे देखो इसके
What are you filming? Why are you filming me when I look so fat? I just feel so huge and yeah, because I've gained so much weight recently and I'm just trying to lose it, but it's so hard when you go to your mama's house and all you do is eat shit. Well, no, I don't. At home I eat very healthy, but only in mama's house do I eat rubbish. Look at her now, she wants to say something. And my hair is really flat today as well. Like, it's really annoying me. I'm just annoyed, you know? Anyways, the only thing that I've been banging on about is how I look. How do you feel? Mama isn't feeling herself anyway. I think it's because so much makeup on. So both of us don't wear makeup. Well, I know I
both
don't.
of us very simple people.
Yeah, I don't wear foundation.
I never wear foundation.
And today I'm wearing it, and today you're wearing it, and we have eyeshadow and
Yeah,
okay.
like I don't like too much makeup, but yeah, if it's come to wedding and special occasion, I don't mind to have. The only thing I don't like eyelash. Like I like semi-permanent eyelash, but I don't like the strip eyelash.
Oh yeah.
It gives me irritation. But now he say put it on, so I put it on. That's all. But the rest, if it's only foundation, is people do like layers and layers and layers. So basically, what we both did, just a little bit concealer on, foundation on, and then blusher, basically, and eye makeup. So you can't say this is loads and loads and loads makeup. Like if you see, I watch all these makeup, you know, on Instagram.
Eyes on the road, honey.
They make like, you know, this car is
Now you got
good.
your indicator on. Are you going this way?
This car
or
is
you
very good because if you move from the lane, it bring you back to the lane. So it's really good, and it's keep warning you and making sound. So that's a good thing. Like if I want to change from one line to another line and my indicator is not on, my car push me back to this line. So it's good. It's working for me.
You know I'm gonna use my multi. What's wrong with me today? I don't know.
I don't know. So you know, whenever we going party or
I need to pray.
I pray, Alhamdulillah. Look, now again we say I need to pray. That's what I say. We keep talking about pray, but when
We're
I was
Muslim.
leaving, yeah, Alhamdulillah.
That's what we gonna know about.
Now she say I need to pray, and she didn't pray, but I pray.
Maybe that's why I
left
feel-
home and I pray.
Bade barake o pakade vate zina shilivari lavangina Bade barake o pakade vate zina shilivari lavangina
Bade badaki ubgadi badi zina shirwari lavangina.
Do you know the rest of the lyrics? No.
Yeah, I know.
What is it? Wait. Da turistarge. Da turistarge. Zamaya digi.
Zadke sabram kal sabrike sta turistarge zamaya de. Me and Maliha always sing Pushto songs, isn't it, Maliha? Maliha?
Yes. Sadiq, it's Sadiq's birthday tomorrow,
Yeah.
and he's saying that I've been telling him, I've been asking him for about a week that what do you want for it, and he told it's not tomorrow, and now he finally told me. He was just like, oh, you can just give me the gift card for
That's good. Yeah.
a thing he likes.
Yeah, just give him the gift card. I'm gonna give him the gift card. Yeah, so मैं और मलिहा आजकल क्या हमेशा से हम मलिहा को छोटे छोटे पुश्तों के सॉन्ग्स मेरे साथ आते हैं जो मेरे फेवरेट हैं. तो मैं और मलिहा हमेशा जब हम बैठते हैं तो छोटे छोटे पुश्तों के सॉन्ग सिंग करते हैं.
Okay, guys, on another topic, right? So, Mama came screaming at me, as she does, because she said that I went to the toilet and I brushed my teeth and I left the top off the toothpaste. And then the reason why she shouted at me, I said, Mama, why did you take the toothpaste out of the toilet? She said, you reminded me. I was like, remind you what? She was like, I wanted to shout at you because you left the toothpaste top off the toilet and of the toothpaste and I put it in the bin. What a waste of a 2-pound toothpaste.
इसको कहती हूँ कि टूथपेस्ट को खुला छोड़ दो तो उसमें 1000 जर्म्स चले जाते हैं. टॉयलेट है, टॉयलेट में तो जर्म्स होते हैं ना. It is a germ. आप लोग
Toilet, the commode, the one that you take a poo-poo in, okay, is gross.
बिल्कुल wrong. सिर्फ कमोड में जर्म्स होते हैं.
Red light.
सारे बाथरूम में.
Mama, maybe in your toilet, but not mine.
मेरा टॉयलेट तो मैं ब्लीच से साफ करती हूँ. तुम तो पता नहीं साफ भी करती हो क्या?
Hey, you're
Yes.
getting below the belt now, huh?
Yeah,
okay,
below the
Samasha,
belt.
huh?
हाँ.
Yeah.
अच्छा सिर्फ ये
Getting
नहीं.
a bit mean.
एयर रब जो है वो पूरा बॉक्स मैंने टाइडी करके रखा होता है। ये साहबजादे गई है
air up, mama, air up, mama,
निकाला
air
है,
up.
उसके ऊपर
Is it
मेरे
this way?
इम्पोर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स थे, वो ड्रेसिंग टेबल के पीछे फेंक दी।
It
1
wasn't on
मिनट
purpose.
लगता, 1 मिनट
It wasn't
लगता
on
अगर वो उठा के इधर रख दो। और मुझे नहीं पता, आप लोग बताना कि अगर कोई ओकेजनली नहीं है, अच्छा हर वक्त,
No,
हर
mama.
वक्त
No, mama.
टूथपेस्ट खोलती है।
Let me tell you something, guys, something really quickly, mama. Because you know your toothpaste, right? They use in your house is a screwy one. Do you know in my house it's just the clip one?
ये क्लिप वन, लेकिन मैं तुम्हारे घर में भी देखा है कितनी दफा।
That's my husband.
Yeah, it doesn't matter, you and your husband, but I even put it in a bin in her house.
Well, that's
मैं
kind of
जब देख
mean.
लेती हूँ कि ये टूथपेस्ट खुला
I
हुआ
get the
है,
Sensodyne. You know the Sensodyne's £4 sometimes.
yeah, I don't care. Why you leave it open? You should. आप बताना, कमेंट्स करके बताना कि इसको टूथ पेस्ट का जो ढकना होता है, टॉप होता है, वो बंद करना चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए?
नहीं चाहिए ये.
ये चाहिए,
नहीं चाहिए
ये
ये.
चाहिए।
Okay, fine. Anyways.
तो हम
Anyways, did I have that show? You feel better now?
Yes,
Do you
Ramit
feel
Dash-
better now?
Yes.
Do you? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we're here now. We're going inside. Let's go. Great.
घर में मली उसके लिए ढोलक की छोटी सी वो बनाई हुई है स्टेज। नगीन ने खुद बनाया हुआ है, नगीन और नगीन की सिस्टर्स ने। ये दोनों यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं? They're best friend. So Maliha and Baji Salma is best friend. ये daughter can be a best friend. Me and her best friend.
Lush, mashallah. Mama's designated me as a camera woman. And they like, yeah, yeah, maybe they.
लाल गगरे वाला गाओ